what we're going to cover is our basic blocks. We normally do these in 2 sets of 5, and our first set of 5 is going to be stepping back into a left lead, doing our upper block. Straight up center, roughly a 45-degree angle on the arm, making sure you're covering the head. Next is our inward block. Shooting straight across, just barely passing the shoulder, again a 45-degree angle on the arm, roughly. Next is our extended outward block, shooting outward from this position, and then low block, and then brush block. Okay, we're going to cover those in the right and the left lead. That's going to be the first 5 blockings of the 10 basic blocks.